Hi guys, welcome back to Maga Family Channel. My name is Amelia.
That's it.
What's your name?
My name is Elsa.
Ezra, and today we will be opening Avengers. You like that? Avengers. Okay. Can you tell us who this is? Who we're gonna open?
This is Hulk Smash.
So we're gonna open Hulk Smash, Thanos. Who's this guy? Iron Man?
Yeah.
And Captain America.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to opening.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna open the Captain America.
But he talks.
Yeah, so he talks.
I don't like bullies. I don't care where they're from.
And he also, if you pull his arm back and then push a certain button, it will throw his shield, and we're gonna test to see if that actually works. I don't know though. So let's get to opening. Okay, we got him out just in time.
And now let's try the shield.
The shield? Okay, it's pretty big. Do you think he's pretty big compared to you? He's pretty big.
Not big.
Like a little baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's Captain
Because you
America.
hold the power of the gods doesn't mean we won't try and stop.
Okay, so let's try this out real quick. So it looks like you put this here. So it looks like you're supposed to hold it here. I'll move it like this a little bit. Or hold out at least one of his arms. Oh, pull him back. Okay.
Try again.
Yeah. It's not too good, but it's not too bad. So I don't think it can go that far, Ezra. So yeah, it doesn't actually like click on to the point where you can just like. Oh, never mind.
It does.
I'm speaking wrong.
Oh.
Okay. So when you push this button on the back, or right here still,
Never under.
yeah, then it falls. It's a really good toy, except it does kind of wobble pretty straight. Yeah, you can try. Here, let me help
And
you.
I have to pull it.
Yeah, you'll pull it. I don't like the fact that his helmet is the only blue part of the whole entire thing. It doesn't match at all. Just my opinion. I know it's kind of weird though, but here, go ahead, I'll hold it, and you pull his arm back. Okay, hold it. Oh, good job. Okay, go get the shield. Under the table, I think.
You can play with it, Ezra, while we're opening the second toy.
I think the only thing that does really move is his head, and it doesn't move that. I mean, it doesn't move all the way back.
Looks like
Give me it.
And his arms
Give me it.
don't
me
move
it.
back and forth
Give
here.
me it. Give me it.
And when you move the right arm, it kind of clicks back and forth because of
I can't do
the
it.
fact that he gets to throw it. Overall, it's a pretty good toy. It's a decent price too,
Yeah.
so it kind of makes sense.
Let's open another toy.
Let's open another one.
Yeah.
Iron Man next. Iron Man, let's do it. Come on.
I'm gonna put this back.
Okay. Okay, now next what we're gonna be opening is gonna be the Iron Man with his new suit. It looks like he can shoot other different things from different sides. Ezra's still playing with that Captain America. If you
like
look
it?
on the back,
Yeah.
he has, I don't know if that's actually how long it is or it shoots.
You can
Yeah,
put
It's got
this,
two different things. And we'll see
You
if
can
it
put
works.
it back
Okay.
and then it shoots out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Start opening it, I guess. Okay, so we got Iron Man out. I feel like it's the same quality as the last guy, but we'll see. So it looks like from the back you can connect this part. Oh, that's gonna be kind of hard. 1 second. It kind of goes in and out really easily. I don't even think that's the way to do it. I don't know. We'll see. We've also got our little missile gun things. This one will shoot though, but we already tried it. I mean, like, here, Ezra, watch out. I'm gonna try to shoot it, see how far it goes. Doesn't go too far before just toy-wise, I guess, if you're playing toys or whatever. It'll go pretty far. So, okay, I'm gonna detach this. Actually, no, I'll leave it on. Looks like on one. Where's the picture?
Yeah.
Wrong one. Let me look at the picture. Oh. So it looks like on this one, it doesn't shoot anything. It's just a little. This is the one that won't shoot anything. Literal piece of plastic. So it's more like she can actually hold these though. Like
It goes far.
fits. You can hold them. But it can also be held on the sides,
Mom,
like here, so we
the
can
knife.
put that in. Oh, so they move around from the suit too. So, one second, let me hold it easier. So these little triangle parts will move around, so it's like different angles for the gun. Right here, if you know what I'm talking about. And then actual gun will move, so pretty good, I guess. I mean, it's fine, I guess. I don't know. And then we also have the actual gun. Oh! Don't do the splits, honey. I have the actual gun right here. Pretty lifelike size. Almost, he's probably a head taller. I don't know if that's just in like real life or I don't know, whatever. But this is the only gun that will not shoot. Now after we've opened those ones, let's open Thanos and then
Actually, Hulk.
okay,
Hulk.
we'll open Hulk.
But I opened on this back side.
You opened it already?
Yeah. We had the Hulk mash, and now that suck.
That sounds sucks, so we took them out. Okay, cool.
And then you got punch.
He doesn't do much. He's technically, I guess, for just like, yeah, you could play, but like he's kind of like one of those display ones. Won't really matter though. Can I see those really quickly? He's pretty heavy. Oh, what's on the back? Oh, okay. So I guess these are all from the same brand. So if you've seen from the boxes, everything's technically the same.
Oh, okay.
I think.
All of them can still hold whatever on the back. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think that's for so see oh sorry. See on the box for Thanos and Hulk have the same box. If you can like blast gear, so you can technically add on whatever from the back. Maybe you can get more accessories, I guess. So just wait. Do you like him?
Yeah.
Why is he so cool? What does he say? Hulk smash. Say it. What does he say?
Hulk mash.
That was cute. Okay, yeah, he usually says Hulk mash, right? How? Can you show me how he Hulk mashes?
Yeah.
How's he Hulk mash? Really? Doesn't he like jump? Or what does he do?
He jumps.
Show me how you do it. Come on.
Jumps.
Wow. Okay. Well, let's open Thanos now.
Yeah.
There's not much to say. Great color. Face is kind of weird looking. I don't like the face. So, doesn't want to open from the bottom. Just open it from the top.
Yeah.
Hey, Ezra.
What?
Why does he have a purple face?
Because.
Did he eat too many purple pumpkins? I don't know.
Yeah.
Tape. There's tape. So why is he purple?
It's a perfect pumpkin.
Okay. Oh, just like Captain America. We'll get to that real soon after we take him out all the way. Yep, we'll take him out. Okay, we got Thanos out. Technically the same thing as Hulk smash. So Ezra, can I see Hulk real quickly, buddy? So if you look on the backs of them, they're literally probably the same size. They probably use the same model. Who knows? I'm joking. But they also take whatever Iron Man has on his back. If you look on Iron Man's back also, let me see this baby. Also have like technically the same pattern on the backs. Captain America does not have like any one of them though. So whatever. But I think at the store you can also get accessories that will match them. Here, let me see. Ezra, do a quick run. Who will win? Come on, he's got a gun on his back. Oh! Okay. Well, I think he won. Ezra likes Hulk smash a lot, so.
Yeah.
Do you not like Thanos? Why is Thanos not cool?
He's a bad guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's evil from another planet.
And then he can't.
Oh, wow, that was random. Pretty sturdy though. His legs does move. really easily. And then if you look, this is like kind of like a rubbery plastic, bendable plastic, I guess I could say. Oh, it looks like he doesn't have the infinity claw, right? Or without the infinity stones at least. So that sucks. Ezra, did you know he can snap his fingers and make Hulk disappear?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That was slow.
Your turn, Iron Man. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. What? Wait a minute. I'm joking. Okay.
Well, let me see all of them. Ezra, which one is your favorite?
This one, this one, this one, that one.
All of them?
Oh, pick one. If you could only keep one. Oh, that was good. Okay, overall, these are really good toys at a really good price for each and every single one of them.
But
With a
watch
$15 to
this,
$20
guys.
range.
Watch.
Oh, almost say Hulk. For every toy, they are sturdy. They will stand up pretty easily, especially these two. These are probably the heaviest, but they're not too heavy compared to every single one of them. Really good quality though, not like a cheap plastic. So it's pretty, I think these are pretty good toys. I would recommend them. They're pretty good.
Ezra is gonna enjoy that.
Ezra, do you like these toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, who's your favorite? Who's the best one to play with?
This one, this one, this one, this one.
Ezra, what if you could
Look,
only
look, look
keep
who's
one?
coming. Look.
Come here, baby. Go stand where Maya's standing. Oh, go play.
All right.
Okay, Ezra, what do we say at the end of the video? Drop it real quickly. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I hope you. What do you say? Like, subscribe, and click the bell
Click the bell.
to never miss a video.
Never to miss a video.
Bye.
Bye.